Okay, 1937 MGVA, 55 horsepower, and this is a 4-cylinder. Wow, ain't that beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Look at that, look at that, tires. Look at the whole inside of that. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, this is at the museum. Beautiful display. Isn't that neat? Look at that. All the tires and everything. Wow. Okay. This was produced from 1937 to 1939. The cost back then, cost new was $335. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful, beautiful car.